Hey, how is it going, everybody? So yes, my MacBook Neo replaced my Mac Mini. Now, before we get started, I just want to say it's really surprising how many people love the MacBook Neo and how many people are like totally against it, right? And these are people that don't even own the MacBook Neo. They have all these reasons, right? They're over here saying the processor's too slow, the display's not good enough. If you go to a Costco or to a Best Buy, to an Apple store, and you actually look at the MacBook Neo and you look at the display for what it is, you're going to be like, how is this thing only $600 or $599 and, whatever. But yeah, you'll ask yourself that. And another crazy thing is, there's my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Terrific phone, right? But this MacBook Neo is only $600. Say you went and bought like an iPhone 17e, which would actually make sense, and then you purchase the MacBook Neo. I mean, you got yourself a little powerhouse of a little Apple ecosystem thing going on. Apple Watch, your Apple AirPods. Anyway, that's beside the point. I replaced my Mac Mini, and here's the whole point. So y'all can see, and I even caught some heat for this. People are so opinionated these days. So I use a mouse with my MacBook Neo because I want to. And I have this little connector thingy here that I've talked about like in other videos. And I was actually using my Mac Mini, and you can see how much smaller it was, or it is, compared to the display on my MacBook Neo. Now, of course, I don't have my Mac Mini 7 anymore, because I traded it in. I think Apple gave me like $350. So it was a win-win situation. But I was using a keyboard and a mouse and all that stuff with this. All right. And yes, I have a Mac Mini as well. It's a 2018 Mac Mini, and it was kind of y'all know what I'm saying, right? Anyway, so I got used to my Mac Mini 7 over like a year and a half that I had it. And I was using it with me to take it to like the different places in the house, the kitchen, the gym, all that stuff. Well, I'm doing that stuff now with my MacBook Neo. And here's the thing. Here's the glory about the MacBook Neo. The MacBook Neo is $600. This isn't like a $1,200, $1,400, or a $2,000 MacBook. It's $600. So whenever you're, carrying it with you around the house, and they even sell cases for these. I don't recommend that. Just don't drop it. But I carry this thing from, I use it in the gym as well. I have my own gym in the house, right? I'm not going to Planet Fitness or another gym with it. Of course not. That'd be insane. But I use this. And, sometimes when you're working out, you want to listen to your favorite workout music, whatever you're doing, or you want to watch a YouTube video. Anyway, you want to watch your favorite YouTube video, maybe a motivational YouTube video, whatever it is you're doing, right? A podcast, you can do it all with your MacBook Neo. And what I like, say in between sets when I'm working out, I have this thing right there on the counter on a little shelf, and I can look at the video and see what's going on, and it's really nice. And like I said before, the display on this MacBook Neo is really, really nice. There is absolutely nothing wrong with the display on the MacBook Neo. It's actually very, very nice. It's vibrant. It's nice. I made a video, you go into your display settings. You have different display settings you can choose from. I'll show you guys right there. So you got your color profile. So that's what I do right there. I do all that. But long story, the whole point of this video is I went and I replaced my iPad mini 7 with the MacBook Neo. And I thought I was going to regret it because this is portable, right? This is very portable. But once again, you can see how small the display was. And look, this is just as portable as well. And the beauty of it is it's $600. You're not worried about like, oh my God, I don't want to put a little scratch on it. I don't want to hurt it. This is what you call usability. The MacBook Neo is terrific. It's portable. It's dependable. This is what you need if you're just looking for an inexpensive, reliable experience. All right, everybody. Bye.